Okay, so since there are multiple classes that we offer that ask you to use the Quizlet program, I'm going to take you through how to do that. So first thing you want to do is you want to sign up. And the easiest way to do that is just click on the sign up with Google. It'll use your student email and password. That's the easiest way. You do not need to upgrade. We like free. So what you want to do is go here to create. And whether you're creating flashcards or a timeline, you want to make sure that you label them clearly at the top. So let's say it's Earth Science A, Week 1, flashcards. You put in the title. You can put in an image if you want to, or you can just go to term. Let's say your first term was biosphere, and then over here you would enter the definition. Let's pretend this is the definition. Now let's say I wanted to add a picture of my term. I would click on Add Image. It automatically looks for the term biosphere for me. I can go through here and choose a picture, or I can upload my own image. But let's say I want to use this one, and there it is there. So you continue to put in your terms. If you have more than 5 terms, you can just add a card and keep adding until you're done. Once you have created your set, once you have finished all your definitions, you will come up here and click on the Create button. There's also a Create button down here. Doesn't matter which one you choose. It will save your flashcards, and it will give you this link. This is what you would send to your teacher so that they could see your flashcards. So you would copy the link, you would open up whatever assignment it is, and you would submit it by clicking on Create, and then you would just paste your link there and submit. And that's how you create your Quizlet flashcards and submit them.